Givecloud allows you to set custom fields on a donation form or event ticket to collect additional information about the donor. This information can then be pushed from Givecloud to DonorPerfect using a UDF in DonorPerfect that is set for the gift screen. To get started with this process, reach out to the support team after you've created the UDF in DonorPerfect so our team can set it up on the back end in your Givecloud. Once you've set it up, then you can start building out the custom fields on your form. To build out the custom fields on your form, you'll want to navigate to the form in question. Then you'll want to go to Custom Fields. Here is where you can add a custom field to collect additional information on the Givecloud contribution. It is optional whether or not you want to sync this custom field to a UDF that you've set up in DonorPerfect. You can set it to none, or you can set one of the options that you've set up in your DonorPerfect after it's been linked to Givecloud. If we scroll down here just a bit, we have a custom field here that is set up in order to capture which meal choice the donor has selected for the event in question. Now that we've set that up, we can also set up the event meal UDF that is in DonorPerfect. So after this is saved, a donor can make a selection from this list and it will be pushed to the gift screen's UDF event meal. So on the gift screen in DonorPerfect, the donor will have their event meal recorded. Let's take a look at what the data will look like in Givecloud after the contribution has been made. Once the contribution has been made, you'll want to pull it up in the admin by going to your contribution section. Here on the contribution, underneath the item name section, you'll see the custom field selections that have been made here. This is the information as it presents in Givecloud. To see the information that gets pushed over to DonorPerfect, you can click the gift ID on the bottom right section under the DonorPerfect box, and then scroll down just a little bit more to click Raw Data View. This will give you more information about all of the fields that are in both Givecloud and DonorPerfect. As we can see here, UDF event meal has been recorded as beef. Keep in mind that setting up UDFs in Givecloud for pushing information to your DonorPerfect can only go to the gift screen. You can also click View in DonorPerfect here to go directly to this particular gift where the custom field information has been synced. Say you want to pull a specific report for the item that has your custom fields and UDFs set up. You can do this by going to the sales report for the item. From the contribution, you can click on the item title here to have the flyout menu appear. Then you can click View Reports and Sales. You can also get to this report from the fundraise screen by selecting the item in question and having the flyout menu appear, and then clicking View Reports and Sales. The sales report will show you a detailed report of all of the contributions processed for this particular item. On the top right, you have the option to export, and this will allow you to generate a report specific to all of the information for the contributions, including the custom field selections that have been pushed from Givecloud to DonorPerfect. You may also find that creating your own custom report in DonorPerfect will give you even more information that you might be looking for. For more info on setting up your UDFs and custom fields with Givecloud and DonorPerfect, check out our Help Center by clicking the book at the top and then Help Articles.